this week's tutorial, I will show you how to delete group chat on Instagram down and Instagram. So let's go. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this guide useful and you're very new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about Instagram topics. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to delete group chat on Instagram, the ultimate guide. So the very first thing you need to do is to make sure you head over to your Instagram. So I'm going to click on here to access my Instagram account. So having opened up your Instagram account, next thing you need to do is to make sure you click on your box right here. Then from the top right here, you're going to have your group right here. So you can select the particular group you want to delete. So for instance, I want to delete this particular group chat. So for me to do that, I will just click and hold down, and this is going to pump up. Next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on delete icon. Then delete chats from inbox. The people who message you can still see the conversation and can message you again unless you block them. Just click on delete right here. It's as simple as that. So this is how to simply delete group chat on Instagram, a step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about Instagram tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.